I got my video interrupted by my nephew, so I had to start another one.
You can edit.
Good to go?
Yepper. Yeah, at least she's not dancing backwards anymore. She's getting better.
The more there's.
Dancing my feet more. Safety first.
Close.
Did you grab a couple? She's learning. We got to get her to bust off 10 in the 308. Yeah.
That thing has some kick. Like, it actually scares me a little bit.
To be honest, the 12 gauge kicks more if it had a buttstock. But the 308's a lot louder.
Yeah.
You gonna hit that can or what?
I was trying.
The farther you are away, the easier it is because you get a bigger spread.
Yeah, exactly.
How's your video, right?
Yep, now it's starting though.
Okay.
Redneck Curtis. Toxic redneck, aka hillbilly as fuck.
I'm not that hillbilly. What are you talking about?
When you shoot a 12 gauge one-handed.
I just skinned the mother Frencher. Nope, I missed. Fail! Fail.
Transfer of the cameras and the gun.
Used to saying that. Did it not? No.
And she missed.
Did I miss?
And we still got a exploding target way over there on top of that hard hat.
Yeah, we can't take it back once it's set, so we'll try with the 308 some more.
Yeah, we got it. Let's go attempt that.
Just show the bolt toward the back. She's in? Yeah. Now slam it forward. There you go. Now just wait. I don't want to get hit by hot grass. And fast as you freaking can. That's all of them?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that one of those was really close.
Yeah, I think you might have hit the ground. I wasn't really paying attention, did you?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
That's fun.
Holy fuck.
One of those fun when you hold it with one hand and you go cha cha cha, like you just slap it with your finger.
Jesus.
My turn. So I have 10 rounds left, so that'll be the end of it.
Oh, no.
Did you want to shoot us more?
I kind of do.
Okay, just give me 5 then.
Okay.
Then we'll let her have the last 5.
Yeah, I figure 5 should be able to show you guys how to do it.